Hello guys, this is Vidya. I'm from final year CSC department and my registration number is URK17 CS100. Today we are going to discuss about the basic Python programming. So firstly the question given to us is design and implement a basic calculator in Python. So for Python we are just the source code is given here. For Python we are converting the value here as int. So we are just giving it as int of input of and the first number. I am going to take the second number and then in C I am going to store the operation I need to do, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So if C equals to 1, that is addition, so I am going to print A plus B. If it's subtraction, then A minus B, and if it's multiplication, A into B, and if it's division, A by B. If the number is other than 1, 2, 3, 4, then I am going to print as choose the correct operation. So here the output is given. So here I am entering the number as 12 and first number and second number as 34. The operation is I need addition, so it is given, the output is given as 46. So for multiplication, for division I have done the same thing. So the second number is there and then I'm going to take the subtraction, so 20. And for multiplication I'm doing it like here I'm doing for division, and so it is given as this. So find whether the second question is find whether the given number is perfect or not. For that also the source code is given. The source code is I am taking the number from the user and then I am declaring sum as 0, and for here I am using the for loop in which I am telling that to know if it's perfect or not, I am just saying that if number mod I equals to 0, then I am going to increment it like sum equals to sum plus I. If sum equal to number, then I am going to print as it's a perfect number, or else I am going to print as not a perfect number. So here I am entering the number as 6. So 6 is a perfect number. And the third question is find whether the given number is Adam's number or not. So firstly this is definition. So like I am defining is Adam num, and then I am declaring the number as declaring num as n and reverse as 0. While n is not equal to 0, I am just reversing it like recursion is occurring here. So I like reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus n mod 10, and n equals to n by 10. So I am performing the operations here. So if the number is equivalent, then I'm going to say as is Adam number, or else I'm going to say as it's not an Adam number. So the internal number I've given the output, the sample output as 234, which is not an Adam number, and 13 is an Adam number. Now another program is to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. For that also simply I am just taking the input from the user, I am declaring sum as 0 and I am declaring temporary variable as the number. If while temporary variable is greater than 0, then I am going to do the sub operation. If number equals to sum, then I am going to say that number is an Armstrong number, or else it's an not an Armstrong number. In such a way I have done it. 125 is not an Armstrong number and 153 is an Armstrong number. Thank you for watching.